Barabara ici kũhingwo nĩguo kũhe mweke waki wacio na guthondeka kuria guthuku kuona ni cithukitio ni uritu wa ngari gatagati ka mangi.
These major works that we are talking about entail replacement of the expansion joints to 3 bridges along this road. The 3 bridges are this Olesereni bridge where we are standing now. The other one is at Kibera overpass, and the third one is at the interchange with Gong Road.
Waki uyu utanyitwo kuhuthira ciringi milioni 48 hari guthondeka barabara ciothe ithatu, ugiteithiriria hanene hari guthondeka mieke ya mawira o hamwe na kuhuthia mithiire.
Repairs both on the carriageway and of drainage structures, and the performance-based component itself, which takes care of the routine maintenance activities, including sweeping of the road, clearing of the bushes around the road, and you will also see that there was some landscaping on the median.
Ruhonge rwa KENHA rugite rurathondeka barabara ici na njira igucihotithia guikara nginyagia miaka 60 kuona ni cia kirathi kia iguru. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, njitagwo Nduta wa Buthia.